That's a pig right there, folks. That is an absolute pig. All right, people, well, we just got here to our first spot. Can't tell where in the world I am because it's so daggum foggy. I mean, this is just crazy. You know, it's funny, whenever I launched out of the ramp, you know, it was fine. There's a little bit of fog, but I just hit a thick patch. But anyways, guys, we're going to be doing some dragging today. I actually got a new set of planer boards. I got the Zach Royce edition, so I'm going to be running 4 planer boards today instead of just 2. Pretty much it. We're going to, I've got several creeks that we're going to hit. We're going to start in the back. We're going to troll out of them, see if we can put together a pattern. Might try some deep stuff. I don't know. We're going to try just kind of everything. But anyways, I'm going to stop yapping, and we're going to get to it, so stay tuned. I think I got a decent one here, guys. I was actually over here fooling with a little dink, and then this planer board went off. No, he's not. He's small. I don't even think he's on there, actually. Yeah. Man, these new clips are serious. Oh, no, he's on there. He's on there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you what, he's got a little booty to him. Got some shoulders. Dude, he does not want to come up. Just a drag on this reel is a piece of... Stop trying to cuss so much. It's a piece of turd, I'll tell you what. We've got a new reel on the way. Oh, yeah. Look at that, baby. That's a good... Alright, guys. We're gonna try to get him here. Oh, yeah, he's in the net. He is in the net, folks. Pig alert. In the net. Oh, lordy. Woo! 43, baby. Oh. Got a double on here. Well, my net's occupied right now, so hopefully I can get him in without it. Again, that was on the new planer boards. Yeah, he's okay. Not gonna be anything special. Well, folks, sorry I took my chesty off because I was about to take a picture with this big one. And then this guy decided to come join the fight. He's not very big though. We're just all right, folks, just got dubs. There's the first one. This is the second one actually. This is a smaller one. We're just gonna throw him back. Woo! Let's get the big boy. All right, there he is, folks. Check him out. Beautiful fish. 43 pounder. Nice thick guy. Came out here to get a pig, and boy, we did. I'm getting another one back here. Oh goodness. That bite just got on fire. There he goes. This channel cat has been along for the ride for probably like 30 minutes. I thought that I just kept getting dinked on, but it stopped hitting it, so I didn't think anything had it. He's taking a ride. Going through some real nice stuff right now. See, we're at a good little spot. I love this deep ledge. We're gonna come up on here and just kind of hang out in this deeper flat. I guess that's a flat. That's what I would call it. Hell, I don't know. Here we go. I started talking. Maybe I can see that rod go off. Oh, he's on me. See if I can keep the boat straight while I do this. That's the biggest problem. That thing, for whatever reason, that GPS just freaks out. Yep. Well, let's see if it's going to correct itself. I think this one might be around like the 10-pound range. We'll see. That 40 that I caught, I didn't think it was very big either. It didn't just run at the boat, but it was letting me pull it. Oh, yeah, that was a good pull. Ripped a little bit of drag. But he let me pull him all the way to the boat, and then he just dogged it. That looked like a pretty decent one. Yeah, he's not bad at all. That's a good fish. Let's see if we can... It's probably dumb to try to bogey grip this guy, but we're going to. I'm surprised he's burping. I'm pretty slow with him. Look at that, there's my little line where he came up. Alright, folks, there he is. Another nice one. He's probably 20, I would say, maybe a little bigger. I'm not gonna weigh him. But anyways, let's put this old guy back. Tell you something I definitely recommend on your boat. Keep you a little sanitizer or Germ-X or something like that on there. Because this lake water is nasty. Some of these fish are nasty. And you'll get, I don't know if y'all can see that well, but when you're burping fish and stuff, I got scratches all up through here, so. Woo! That stings. That'll wake you up right there. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this week's episode. Thank you, fine folks, for tuning in today. I really appreciate that. If y'all haven't already, please hit the like button. Please subscribe so y'all can check my next video coming out. We had an incredible day out there today, guys. We caught a really nice fish. We caught some other nice fish, and we did it on some new tackle. The Zach Roy's planer boards did an incredible job. I highly, highly recommend those if you're thinking about upgrading your planer boards, or if you're just now getting into dragging. That's a really, really nice planer board for you to get in. I also tried out a brand new hook today that I'm really happy with. I was using the Dale's Tackle 10-aught offset hook. It's got a really, really sharp point. It's got a nice gap, and I did its job. You know what? I didn't miss any fish, and I hooked some fish right in their faces like a good hook's supposed to. So happy with those hooks. Guys, I am going to post some of my other videos for y'all to check out. If you haven't seen them already, they're going to be around here somewhere. And as always, I'll see y'all on the next trip.